Today we are going to be taking apart an SSD, and quite an old SSD. It's just 40 gigabytes from a laptop. It's broken, but I want to take it apart. So let's get these screws off on these sides. Alright, I have got the cap off, and just need to get these standoffs off. Alright, so we have everything off, and so let us inspect this. So basically you have the NANDs here. That's basically like a logic gate. That's where the actual storage is in here, and so we have 6 on here. Looks like we could actually have 8. Perhaps that is for the 60 gigabyte model. And then everything else looks like to be controls. I will be looking for a missing part if I find it. You'll see it at the end of the video. And if I do not, then thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.